Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to convert a text into uppercase, lowercase and proper case in Microsoft Excel sheet. Here you can see I have the name of students in the left column with names carrying both uppercase and lowercase letters. Some of them are so mixed together that they are even harder to read. So how can we spruce them up? Let's dive into the video to see how this can be done. Let's go for the uppercase is equal upper tab, select the name, close the bracket and enter, and here we go. Now just double click over here and we are done. You can see we have converted these names into uppercase. For the lowercase, again write is equal lower, select the name, close the bracket and enter, and now just drag it down and we are done. And now this is the most used case, that is called proper case. Right, is equal proper, select the name, close the bracket and enter, and you can see only the first part of the name is uppercase. Drag it down and you are done. If you have found this video useful, please give it a thumbs up, follow my channel and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching.